Okay, so I bought this kit on Amazon. It's very similar to the kit sold by AESwave, but it comes all bunched up. And here's the paper. And I wish I had a video or a photo of how it came. However, key here is they come grouped, all the yellows together, all the blacks together, all the reds together, all the blues together, which doesn't do anybody any good. So what I did was pulled them out, separated them, and labeled each one. 0.7 millimeters, 0.8 millimeters, 1.2, 2, 2.5, etc. These are all flat terminals. And then I have a little line that says round terminals. So these last ones are round terminals. And then I got the round terminals up here. So after actually organizing them, this is what it looks like. So now you can just grab a 0.7 male. Here's a 0.7 male. 2.5. Just grab a 2.5. Round terminals aren't used so much, so I just have those over here on the ends, but they're still labeled correctly. So yeah, you'll see this kit a lot everywhere. It's kind of a clone of the AESwave terminal kit. But this is what I've found to be the best, because it comes clumped, yellow, blue, red, etc., which is useless. So now it's actually usable.